Hey everybody, I'm Yao and welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, I'm Yao and welcome to my channel. My name is spelled G-I-A-O but pronounced as Yao, and I'm an artist. So in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to be painting a portrait, and I hope you enjoy my portrait. Hey everybody, so I hope you enjoyed my portrait. I really like this portrait, it's super cute, and I want to show you what it looks like right now. This here is the portrait. So this here is the portrait, and she has gorgeous short bob cut hair and it's green. So this here is a portrait that is influenced by YouTube makeup tutorials, and I've been watching lots of makeup tutorials and I really love them because apparently before I was watching makeup tutorials I was doing my makeup all wrong, and now I am doing my makeup better than what I was doing before. By watching makeup tutorials, I've actually learned a lot about makeup, what not to do and what to do. But with art, it's a little bit different because sometimes I watch an art tutorial and it says don't do this and don't do that. But to me, with art, it doesn't really apply. You can pretty much do whatever you want. You can put an eye here and an eye below here, and it still doesn't really matter because it's art, it's not makeup. And so unless you're doing makeup art, then it's a little bit different, and you can do whatever you want. But when it comes to every single day makeup, there is a certain way to do it and there's a certain way not to do it. So this here is an acrylic painting, and what I did with this acrylic painting is I used Liquitex and Golden, and I also used Matisse, and those are my favorite brands to use when it comes to acrylics, because I love using Flow Acrylics. Flow Acrylics are my favorite acrylics to use. I like using them much better than using normal acrylics. I used a number 2, a number 4 and a number 6 brush for this painting mainly. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope you enjoyed my painting, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up. Up until next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful time with all your family and all your friends, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!